This is the B-1 bomber. Standing under the wing because it's very hot.
Yeah, they got them all buttoned up. You can't see them through the engines. As you can see, this is the aft bay, another bomb bay right here. Yeah. This is really goofy. We had a lot of trouble with this bomb bay because the airflow, it's like a big venturi through these engines, and a lot of times the weapons, one of the first weapons we dropped out of this, it come down, the airflow was so much, the bomb would release, but it would sit there and bounce against that airflow, it wouldn't come out. So they had to put spoilers, and what that's what had to set up for all kinds of avionics stuff.
Got a little Goonie bird out here.
Yeah, we'll drive down by him here. Think of it.
Surprisingly small.
Oh, sorry, Rick. You need to blow through your photo there.
Remember the movie Pearl Harbor?
Yep.
When the guys, they get off the airplane at the end and they carry the casket off the movie. And this is the view you see right here.
Oh yeah.
Modern day fighter. You'll see a lot of the technology on the newer airplanes, but yet it's still it was the older 50s technology went in it too.
Can't tell if I'm getting a good picture or not. I can't see it.
It's the sun makes it tough.
Screaming demon.
This one,
Oops, I'm sorry.
That's alright.
if you look at the wings here, they got these slats, ailerons, blown wings. I mean, they had to really struggle to get the airflow right around this thing. And you know, these, you can see the delta, what these things do will come out and actually you get cord length and things like that for whatever condition you're in.
Got these downward sloping.
Air Force bought them, you know, after the Navy got them. But it's not a very, it's like a sound barrier. About 30 years ago, but this led to the F-16. Actually, is what it led to. F-22, now F-35. This is the one you were talking about, the Mach 3, 100,000 foot spy plane. And this is, see the big spikes they got in there on the engines?
Mm-hmm.
That's how they would control the airflow when it get up around Mach 3. Them spikes go in and out. On an airplane down at low altitude, because that's where the air is the thickest. But as you get way up in altitude and the air gets thinner, your dynamic pressure goes down. black circles right here. This big black circle is a compass room. So you can be flying anywhere in the area. And you can look down. Anything wrong, you can get your bearings. Built all the way up and down. There's one that's like 15 miles long. A lot of planes they could have a gear problem or something.
Underneath a B-52.
And the thing about this one, it's got 8 engines on it. You can lose an engine and it's not a big event. But it's, yeah, it's Vietnam era. I can't remember the name of it. I'm not a
That thing is big.
helicopter. Is this a Huey? They should have
Look at all these guys.
See, there's just enough room to get your feet down there at the bottom. This is that 30mm Gatling gun. This is the one that shoots the depleted uranium rounds.
For tanks, right?
Out.
Yeah.
That is a wild gun.